Ito, three.
A blessed day, everyone! Unboxing of flowering plants.
Okay na yan.
We bought these flowering plants through an online seller. Thankful to God, the seller packed them properly and they were delivered to us earlier than expected. Now, let the unboxing begins! Oops, I forgot something. Take two, please.
Dali. Okay na.
Upon seeing this kind of rose, we quickly purchased it because of its distinct color, and the seller mentioned it is called tricolor rose. But when I checked the internet, it says this is a floribunda rose. What do you think? Please help me. If you know the name of this rose, kindly drop the answer on the comment section. Thank you so much.
Hindi, ililip. Ay, hindi. Nakamasking tape.
Now let us continue to unbox the other flowering plants.
Ay, may tingnan mo. Cut pa. Okay lang.
Black Magic Rose.
May tinig.
This flower is a prolific bloomer, producing flowers continuously from late spring to fall, offering months of color and beauty. Black Magic Rose. It is a remarkable hybrid tea rose for its stunning deep red blooms, velvety petals, and exceptional durability. This rose is high valued for its long-lasting blooms, disease resistance, and elegant forms, making it a top choice for both gardeners and florists. It is often considered one of the closest varieties to a true black rose. The Black Magic Rose is a tall and upright rose bush that captivates with its large, velvety blooms. Each flower opens from elegant pointed buds into a high-centered blossoms of deep red depths that appear almost black in certain lights. The blooms are large, measuring up to 5 inches across and densely packed with 30 to 40 petals. The dark green glossy foliage complements the blooms perfectly, creating a striking contrast that enhances their dramatic appeal during blooming season. Now, let us continue to unbox the third flowering plants. Can you guess the name of this flowering plant? This is a popular ornament flower, often called chrysanthemums or mums or chrysanthe. These flowers are often known for their vibrant colors and are a staple in fall gardens, blooming in shades of gold, bronze, white, pink, and red. Also known as florist daisy or garden mum, it is characterized by its firmly decorative bright pink flowers.
Cutie!
They are considered low-maintenance plants and thrive in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. These plants can grow up to 50 to 150 centimeters tall, and it is often propagated by dividing older plants.
Kita.
Yellow chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemums are native to Asia, particularly China, and have been cultivated for thousands of years. They are widely used in floral arrangements and are also popular garden plants. Its stems are typically erect or ascending, sometimes growing along the ground, and sparsely branched. They can reach a height of 30 to 90 centimeters. The stems are fibrous and the bottom portion can become woody. The leaves are attached to the stems and are typically broad and ovate in shape, with a wedge-shaped base. The stems support the flower heads, which are composed of many ray and disc florets.
Andali, ikat mo pa.
Ha?
Ikat mo.
Yahoo! We are going to unbox the last remaining plant! when suddenly a special guest appeared. It has a leathery foliage and the stems are usually prickly. Its flowers has double blooms with creamy white centers and deep red margins. It has a mildly fragrant and approximately 35 petals per flower. The stems are known to produce long-lasting blossoms. The Magic Carousel Rose is suitable for garden borders, containers, and even as a standard rose. Water it deeply but infrequently, aiming for evenly moist soil. Avoid wetting the foliage, especially during evening, to prevent fungal disease.
What's this?
Free! Thank you! Wow. Wow. Lovely! Thank you for the freebie!
Five days have passed and these are the conditions of our flowering plants.
Kain muna tayo ng isa.
Please don't forget to subscribe and join us for more engaging contents. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Stay safe.